Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna have a hair tutorial that I haven't done for the longest time. Usually I color my hair and I show you off how I color my hair. I'm sorry for this braid. But today I'm gonna show you how to do a French braid. I know there's tons of videos on YouTube how to do it, but I just wanna make my own, show you how I do my French braids. I have many friends that always asking me how I do my French braids because they cannot ever do theirs. So I'm just gonna show you how I do my self-made kind of French braids. Yeah, all you will need is a comb, a small comb with like sharper end. You will need some kind of spray liquid. I'm gonna use argan oil, which is like a dry oil. You can use also water or whatever, just to kind of make the hair, small hair, smooth, so everything is straight and nice and easier to create a French braid. And also we're gonna need some hair bands. Of course the small hair bands will look the best, so make sure you have some mini hair bands. So yeah, if you want to see how to achieve these cute two French braids, please keep on watching. So first step is always parting your hair. I always part my hair right in the middle of my head. That's the style I always go for. I really like it. You can do it sideways, wherever you like, and you have to use some kind of sharper brush or anything sharp to part your hair. If you want to make sure if the back side is straight, you can take like a bigger mirror and just go in the mirror and check out yourself if it's straight. Usually the ends when you braid the hair can a little bit tangle up together, so I'm just gonna spray the dry oil so the ends are more smooth. You can do it also in the front side if you want, to kind of fix the baby hair in place also. And you want to just take away one side of the hair, just so any of this side of the hair doesn't go in the other side of the braid. So we're just gonna fix them in place. So I'm just combing my hair more to the backwards. So I want to make sure all the hair is more to back. And then I'm gonna just take a very small portion, like a triangle here in the front, like about this much, and we part the hair 3 ways and start to braid the hair to one side, to the other side, like a regular braid. That's the first step. And then once you go again to one side, you just pick a little piece of the hair and braid in. And the most important part is to fix it very tight from this side so it doesn't come out the hair. And then again we take from this side a little bit of hair, twist it and go over. You can take from this side, make it tight, take from this side, like this. We're going through all the braid. And just try to make the braid more to the back. Like I know it's very hard to do it, but always try to move the braid more to the back so it goes like in a nice way. taken all the hair inside, and then you just braid the regular braid down, which is probably the easiest part. I always like to make the braid till the end, so it's as long as possible. Like this much we have left here. Just gonna take a hairband and fix it. This braid really came out so tight. I feel like this part of the face is lifted up. Now we're just gonna finish the other side. This braid also with the hairband. We have two cute braids like this. So yeah guys, basically if you have any baby hair like here or maybe here peeking out, you can fix them with a gel or with a hairspray, anything you want. For me, I mean, it doesn't bother me that much. I'm not going for anything like super special event. Even if I would probably go do the braids in a salon, because even I don't do perfect braids. I still have here and there like the hair coming out a little bit. It's like just for daily, you know, or pictures. It's like easy how to make yourself the French braids. So yeah guys, this is how I do my French braids. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully it was a little bit helpful for you also, and yeah, let me know if you would like to see any more hair tutorials I could do in the future. Let me know in the comments down below. Push thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!